Anyway, I could have take the complete video, but I'm sorry. I just want to tell you it's easier to remove the wheel and go behind it. Hi, I just replaced my right front fog light assembly here. Sorry, I didn't do the whole video, complete video. Basically, it will be much easier because of tight spot. You're gonna have to remove your, I mean, you probably can do without removing the wheel. And then there's a clip here and another clip here. Remove this so you can have better access to the fog light assembly. So I have to remove the whole thing. Basically, it had, the original have couple in the back here. There are a couple screw here that mounted, so mine was I guess broken, so I have to remove my old one. So this two spot behind here is pretty tight, so you're gonna have to go underneath here and use a very short screwdriver like this to remove the screw, the couple screw behind this, like this, here and here, I believe. So you're gonna have to use this then. And then you can remove the whole thing out and then disconnect the wire. Here's my old broken assembly here. As you can see, if I flip this, you will see there's a couple spot here where you have to screw the bolts in here. Couple screws that mount to behind the assembly where the light bulb go. You have to, there's a tab you have to push it out and put the, you know, however, my new assembly came with the light bulb already, so I don't have to, I'll have to just plug in the wire here. Fairly simple. So it's just much easier. I know there's some video that you can go underneath here, but I think this will be much easier because, like I say, the spot here are very tight. I actually, it took me like a good, basically just to remove the old screw and the new screw behind here. It's behind the assembly here. It took me a while. So anyway, hope it helps. My first time doing it.